National Institute of Standards and Technology time.
National Institute of Standards and Technology time.
Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of... What the hell? Low camera battery, hold on. Well, you're on the charger, so hopefully that'll work, but yeah, it's when it starts recording, the camera battery charging stops. That's not helpful, so let's try this again. Alright, we're gonna try this. You're gonna plug in your recording and then see if the thing turns on. Come on. Piece of crap. God, I hate this thing. Still, it won't charge while it's recording, dumb thing. Aha! Look at that. Okay, so I took the battery out. Anyways, this is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and this is another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that was sent by James in Lakeside, California. Thank you, James. This is Ramen Express by Chef Wu, shrimp flavor, and I've seen this at what do you call it? Walmart. So let's get to it. It seems to be acting kind of funny. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Where's that? There's that line. We'll add the water. Right to there. We don't need that. And cover it. 3 minutes. Well, it's Friday. I'm honestly glad it's Friday. But we're in the midst of another atmospheric river here on November 12th. Yeah, I know. You're in February. That's February, not February. There's no Y. There is an R. But yeah, we're supposed to get rain, and that's fun. Yeah, what is going on? Not a lot. It's not even 8 a.m. here yet, and I figured, let's get going on these things. The next review I'm doing is going to be a little bit longer. It's something I haven't tried before, so figure I better get going on that good stuff. And yeah, yeah, we've had so much rain. It's like my eyeballs hurt. Sore eyeball-osis. Also, our pumpkins have died. Halloween is over. But now I gotta see what I do. See, we carve the pumpkins, take the pumpkin guts and throw them in the trash. I guess some people like to feed them to chickens, I don't know. But you put down a big black trash bag and then you put the pumpkin on top of it. And then when the pumpkin turns to mush, you just pick up the sides of the plastic bag, zip it shut, and there you go. You can take it out to the trash. Doesn't get all over the floor. I don't know if I read that somewhere or I came up with that. I don't know. I don't know if I should take complete credit for that idea, but it works. You know, we've been doing it for a couple of years now, so I'm pretty jazzed on that. Yup. Fork. And I did review number 4000 on November 4th, which was a Thursday. And then I posted review number 4001 on Monday? I think Monday. And just kind of leaving that up right now because that 4000 was the biggest yakisoba ever, and 4001 is the cup noodles, the spicy pumpkin spice one, and that one is sitting for a while. What that allows, though, is for episodes of Instant Noodle Recipe Time that come out daily, it allows more distance between the posts. So when that happens, it makes it so it doesn't get too close. It was down to like, God, I want to say I had like 2 weeks leeway, and that's like way too close. Way too close. All right, here is our vegetarian shrimp flavor. I don't know that I see that all too often. Usually there's some shrimp because there's really no problem with import-export restrictions on shrimp. And also this one's made in the US, so. But these guys pride themselves on doing the vegetarian thing, so. Let's give this a try. I generally like this brand in the pack form, but the cup form isn't exactly my thing. Okay. Noodles all right. You know, honestly, for pretend shrimp, that's pretty shrimpy. I gotta say, I'm kind of surprised about that. Pretty shrimpy for pretend shrimp. That's really not bad. I'm impressed. I'm sure there's a lot of people that didn't like the prevalent variety that was at Walmart, the what do you call it? Panda Express, or no, Panda Signature. That's right. And this stuff is definitely all over the place now. So I think this is definitely better. Got some shrimp here. And we are out of chashu. My God. Not that I would put chashu in this, but my brain keeps reminding me, hey, you need to make more chashu, buddy. And some spring onions. Ooh, these came out nice today. Thanks to Holy Slicer. Do I want to do mung bean sprouts? I think I'm going to hold off on those this go around. A little bit of crushed red pepper. And a little bit of sesame seed, I do believe. And gosh, I should use one of those before they get funky. Let's throw an egg on top. Egg time. Sometimes it's just really hard to tell where to put an egg. Gotta put it somewhere though. I guess that's the best I can do. Alright, we got our egg, we got our shrimp, we got our deal going on. Rotate, Rotato. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one we're going to do is the one that I was saying is going to take a little bit of time. This is the Mama Singapore Noodles Meal Kit, and I've got a story to go along with this, so that's going to be fun. Anyways, hey, it's gluten-free. Yeah, and it has sauce. So yeah. Alright, that's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.
Leaves falling. What if they were slices of processed cheese? That would be more soothing. The leaves are terrifying. Run away and save yourselves.